Next is the relational operation. This involves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different operations, which is the equal, exponential equal. No, it's not exponential. It is an exclamation mark, more than, less than, more than equal, and less than equal. So each of these operators does something different. So here it checks whether the two operands is equal or not with the equal sign. So if A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, it checks whether if it's equal or not. If A is equal to B, then the answer is true. If A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, with this operand, it checks whether it is equal or not. Since A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, it is not equal, then the conditions become true. Here it checks whether A is bigger than B. If A is bigger than B, the condition is true. If A is less than B while having this symbol, the condition is false. Same goes for this operand. If A is less than B, the operation is true. And if A is bigger than B, the operation is false. Checks if the value of the left operand is greater than equal to the value. It is similar to the top here and the bottom here, which includes the equal value here. So if A is 5, B is 5, if A is equal to B, then the condition is true. Same goes for the less than over here. So this is an example code that use relational operation. So in here, we set that A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 10. Here we have three different operands. In here, we see that printf bracket bracket in this quotation mark, there are three different percentage %d over here. So this means that we have three different number value that we want to check. So since A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 5, it checks here whether that A is equal to B is true or false. So with this operand, it will only output the value 1 and 0. So if the condition is true, then the value will be 1. And if the conditions become false, the value of the output is 0. So as you can see that the output is 5 is equal to 5, and it is a true condition, then the value is 1. Here we check that 5 is equal to 10, which is false, then the value here is 0. Next line of code is there to check whether 5 is bigger than 5, which is a false statement, then it will become 0. Is 5 bigger than 10? It is a false statement, it is 0. Is 5 less than 5? The condition is false, it is 0. If 5 is less than 10, it is a true condition, then the output is 1. This is a not equal value. So since 5 is not equal to 5, both of these are an equal value, then the condition is false. With this, 5 is not equal to 10, the condition is true, the output is 1. 5 is more than equal to 5, it has the equal value here, the condition is true. 5 is more than 10, it is a wrong condition, then the output is false with 0. 5 is less than or equal to 5, the condition is true, which gives the output 1. And 5 is less than or equal to 10 is a true condition, which gives the output 1.